Well, hello, welcome on Martin's channel or in Martin's mechanical shop of inventions. Okay, listen, I made this chute here, this coolant chute. I had copied the windshield from the upper part from Robbins Renzetti. This is a good idea because the wheel now, the wind that comes from the wheel is been blocked by this windshield. So when I turn on the machine, it is going to. I have first to make sure the part is locked. Good, the part is locked. Then the water or the coolant will not be pushed away from the wind immediately. It will be pushed away, but very later in the chute. So let's see. You see, normally that would not happen. Normally it would be pushed away immediately. So I can change this to without, and now you will see it. There you see this pushing away motion. It is bow like this. So this is from the wind, I hope. Yeah, this is visible. Now I have to change it back. The underside of this chute here, it is somewhat watching upside, like this, like a hollow hand. It comes somewhat up, so the coolant is flowing up. Excuse me for the camera, but I'm filming with my handy again. Like this. And now, let's see. Yeah, not that much. Also, like this. Well, I have to raise the pressure. Yeah, now you see it has not been pushed away as heavy as before. And could I use now this piece? Then I place this on. You can watch it on my other clips. Now I'm working with my new brass uni magnet. I made it a few minutes ago, and this is my test job subject. Now what else? Well, you can check out for the STL. Maybe I will sell it, I don't know. Or maybe you just check it out for yourself when you have a 3D printer. The design is easy. It is just a quadratic tube, and in the forward part is just a slit. So you can print this and cut this out with a saw or with the cutting wheel. And then I have another trick maybe for you. Some may laugh, I give a shit. This is some kitchen spatula. Normally I used it to clean out my dough from the cookies, but I used some black small rectangular pieces of rubber, but I had always to work inside the coolant, and I don't like the coolant on my hands. It is toxic. It is sure not healthy for my flesh and anybody else's too. So this old spatula is a very good idea. You just can take an old one, buy a new one, take the old one in the shop, throw away the buy a new one, throw away the old in your shop. So don't throw it away completely. Well, and when you're not using the magnet, also I started doing this some moons ago. Well, at least for 3 months I'm doing this now. I clean up the magnetic table, and then I use some polystyrol. It is some I like polystyrol. When you want to send me some products to test for you, I'm happy to do that. And then also I don't sell it, so it's just I like it. I use polystyrol for years now, and so it is. Your table is protected against rust and against the liquid that is dropping out from the chute here. I had long time now when the liquid was dropped down. I had some marks on there, like some kind of oxidation. I know the liquid is an emulsion, and in the emulsion is this is sulfonated oils are inside there. So that's of course very acid, but not acid enough that it will rust immediately. But when it has on there for a week or two, then you will start some marks. This is a very, very nice piece of tooling, I must say. You can use it in any direction. It will suck down your part because the rods, those are welding steel rods, some 70-16 or 60-14, really low carbon content steel welding rods. So they are perfectly able to be magnetized, or they become very good magnetic. You don't need it is holding the part extremely well. I need a lot of force to pull it away. Also, I almost cannot move it. I assume the strength is about 90% is transferred from the bottom to the top. So this works really great. I think I will make some of those. I will make more of them. So now maybe you can think about how you make this. I've seen people use some cutters, some bolt cutters, but I made me yesterday some fixture like this. It has a hole. You can put in there the rod like this. Freehand and whatsoever. You can put in the rod like this, and then on this small machine like this, and then I had inserted here a cutting disc, and the cutting disc was cutting about here, also on the wall. You just had to hold tight here with some tongs, and then I could cut them really straight. So the finish up work for this piece, also for all of these rods, I inserted them and glued them in with some how it is called, well, some Loctite. It is Schraubensicherung in German. And well, that worked really well. But because I cut those straight, I had not much work to do. I'm searching for one I missed, but well, they are all gone now. But that was just this small holding fixture here. It saved me so much of time, and the cut was almost always, also it was straight at 95%. This was really nice. Okay, now, yeah, when you have some questions about this or about this, let me know. And yes, I scraped the micron table. It is a micron. That is a very old machine, about from 1920, 1940. No, that's too old. 1950s? 40 to 50s, I assume. Very precise machine, I love it. Well, what else? I have nothing else to tell you. Yeah, make you some of those. They are really exceptionally well to clamp down some stuff in all kind of directions. Well, that's it. Thanks. Leave a thumbs up here when you like this content. When not, leave a thumb down here. Bye.